Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down in order to find privacy protection. Then let's scroll and find special permissions. And here scroll down again to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it, just find the app. So let's pretend I'd like to download a different app from Chrome, so from my browser. Let's simply tap on it and tap on this switcher. Here we've got the warning because you have to be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark the statement that you're aware of the possible risks and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome in my case is allowed to install something. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.